I'm just gonna have some fun with some leftover paint and do a flip cup. I have my white going down right now, and I decided that I wanted to mix it with a little bit of light blue that I had left over from another painting. This is the base, so it might get completely covered, so it doesn't matter if it's two different colors or not. Okay, my first color down is going to be the Pebeo Iridescent blue-green. And then I'm going to do some white. And then my next color is the Pebeo Iridescent Blue-Black. I love this color. It is so much fun, so shimmery. I am squirting that down so it sinks all the way down. I'm going to put some iridescent, actually pearlescent creative inspirations right here, down in here. I'm going to do some more of the Pebeo blue-green. Some gold. Then I'm going to do the light blue that's already down on the base. And then my last color is going to be a very, very, very light gray. More of that blue-green. All right, this might turn out to be a mess. That's okay. That's what I love. I am not going to touch it. I do see a little bit of an area here that's a little bit, it looks like, you know, spiky, but I'm going to leave it alone. It's soft. It's really, really awesome. I can see the gold starting to pop up through there, so I'm going to let that be alone, but this is what I wanted. I wanted something soft. I am so excited. I can see it changing a little bit, so I'm going to let it change, and I'm not going to touch it. So let's see what happens as it changes. I am super excited with how this one dried. It is just awesome. It's soft. When you look at it, for me, it just gives me this really nice calm effect. It does have one layer of Grumbacher gloss varnish on it, and there's just a little bit of metallic right here, and the rest of it is just soft. I'm really excited. I'm gonna probably put this one up in my bedroom because it's so peaceful to me. I think of Serenity when I see it, and I love the feeling that you can get sometimes with abstract art, and that is why I do this. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It does help the channel with YouTube's algorithm if you like and comment. At least like it if you did. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me.